Nick Blackburn v. David Huff. A pair of pitchers, neither with double-digit W's, not exactly a Marquee Mound matchup to have a defense drooling. Nonetheless, Sunday starters for the Twins and Tribe, both with their good stuff going. Start with Mr. Huff. Top first, he's facing Joe Mauer. Sits down the Twins catcher on strikes. We go to the third. Denard Span up to the dish. He lines to short. Asdrubal Cabrera go over to second. They'll get two right here. Through three, Huff facing just one more than the minimum. 2 walks and no hits allowed. As for Nick Blackburn, he too handling himself. Bottom 3, he gets Luis Valbuena. In the fourth, it's Johnny Peralta through 4. Blackburn allowing only 1 hit and no runs. He's cruising. As for Huff, his no-no extends into the 5th until this. Nick Punto with a double. 1 hit for each club at this point. The pitching duel delivering. Also delivering is Span. In the 5th, the Ribby scores Punto. This is our first run of the ball game. It is 1-zip Twins. Bottom 6, still 1-zip. Tribe push across their first run. Peralta scoring Michael Brantley. We got a 1-1 game. We go to the 7th. The same score, still 1-1. Huff facing one of the few that got to him all day, but he flies out Nick Punto. Huff goes a full 7. 1 run on 2 hits to go with 2 Ks. As for Blackburn, bottom of the 7th, 2 outs. Brantley with an RBI. Scores Luis Valbuena. Brantley hung up between first and second. He reaches safely as Michael Kadire loses the handle on the tag. It's 2-1 Tribe, though. Blackburn fails to finish the 7th, and well, right here, here's the 3rd run that he allows. Asdrubal Cabrera with a double. It comes off the bullpen, but the insurance run is charged to Blackburn, so it's 3-1 Cleveland. Kerry Wood comes on to collect his 19th save in the 9th. 3-1 is your final. Both starters strong. Huff a little more muscular, though, en route to his 9th win. Cabrera and Brantley each with 2 hits and a ribby. As for Brantley, a September 1st call-up, he's been red hot. 9 for 23 with a batting average of .391.